If you guys are sitting on the couch and you're vibing with the girl and you could see she's comfortable with you and her arm is here, like if we're in this position and we're right here, easy way you could escalate with the girl. You get her comfortable with you, maybe her leg's already over here, I'm vibing with the girl, I'm right here. I'll literally just be like, hold on, put this arm here. Put this arm here, okay? I can keep holding her arm if I want to, or I could put the arm down, put my hand here. I could use this arm and move this hair out the way, right? Obviously I'm talking while this is going on. I'm not just like staring at the escalation, but I can move this hair out the way. This is a great position to be in to escalate, okay? Because one, I have this hand back here. I could play with the back of her hair. I could pull her hair a little bit. I could go in here, kiss her neck a little bit. I also have my other hand to stroke her leg a little bit. You don't need to just kiss the girl. A lot of guys think that the escalation is just like kiss, kiss, kiss. No. Look, dude, she's thinking about kissing you. If you guys are in this position, she's thinking about kissing you. You don't need to just pounce on her, okay? Be the guy that's not so needy, not so thirsty to fucking attack her the moment he has an opportunity. It's so much more attractive when you know you could do it, but you don't do it. And she knows that you know you could do it. Okay, but you don't do it.
I think if there's like good whatever, like chemistry,
a good vibe, yeah.
Right here you're close and everything, and you have a feeling she wants to kiss you, I think like not kissing is like a good way to go. Like look at her lips, like tease her, like act like you're gonna kiss her but then go over here.
Exactly.
Like that's a good shit.
I'll play with those ideas all day until the point where she's like dying to kiss me. How to have a magical, powerful first kiss. It's all the anticipation. It's the build-up. It's getting into her mental. It's building up the idea of the kiss without just doing it. Yeah. So many dudes are like, they try to talk the girl into having a kiss with them, or they just like, out of nowhere, they just like lunge in and make the kiss. I'd much rather you guys build up the idea in the girl's mind of her thinking about kissing you, but you never kissed her yet. But she's already imagined it so many times. She's like craving it. She's almost begging for it. She's looking down at your lips. We're almost here. I'm playing with her hair a little bit. I'm talking about this. I'm back here. I'm in here. I'm talking into her ear a little bit. Or maybe while I'm talking to her, my lips are moving on her cheek. She can feel my lips. Okay? And maybe while I'm here, I pull back and she looks. If I did it right, she'll actually look down at my lips. Easy indicators that the girl actually wants to kiss you. Number one, she's okay with you being at this distance. No girl is gonna talk to you like at this distance and hold eye contact if she wasn't interested in kissing you. She just wouldn't. Yeah. Okay, you guys need to understand that. Guys are like, when's the right time to kiss the girl? Dude, if the girl's this close to you,
she's trying to kiss you.
She is okay with kissing you. It doesn't mean you need to kiss her right away. It just means be aware of the idea, hey, this girl is cool with me being at this distance. That's a great indicator that she's probably comfortable with me kissing her. Thus, I can now play around with the idea of us kissing, build up the anticipation in her mind of us kissing, and drag that out as much as possible, because the more the anticipation, the more the expectation, the more the imagination builds up, the more powerful it's actually going to be. Okay? That's how you have a really powerful first kiss.
Something similar happened to our friend the other day, where this guy was hitting on her this whole time at a party, hitting on her. And then when she was leaving, he was like, can I get a kiss? And she was like,
big turn off.
She was like, what?
Easiest way to turn off a girl that you're about to kiss.
It's like if you're hitting on her, but you're not physically escalating, and then when she leaves, you ask her for a kiss.
So what happened? This
guy was clearly interested in my friend, but was not physically escalating. She doesn't know this because she doesn't know what game is, but I know this. And when she was leaving, he was like, hey, like, give me a kiss before you go. She was like, what? Like, and she was interested in him, but she was like,
Hope you guys enjoyed this video. And by the way, if you want to work with me personally to implement any of the techniques in this video to become more socially confident, get more women in your life, build a bigger social circle, and really just dominate life in any aspect socially, I can help you with that. I'm the fucking guy for that, okay? Been doing this for a long time. I've transformed myself going from a video game nerd loser to becoming one of the top guys in the industry with this stuff, okay? So if you're interested in working with me personally, click the link below, click the link in the description, fill out the application, and we will be contacting you to discuss further details. Until next time, Coach Kyle signing out. Peace.